Step number 1, click play. Step number 2, watch a short video. Step number 3, answer a simple question. Step number 4, earn $3. Step number 5, repeat this a few times. Hi, Arina here, and on this channel I share my tools and tips on how to grow your business and make money online. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell too so that you don't miss a thing. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing another opportunity that will allow you to earn additional income, extra cash, working online, doing something very simple and very easy. And this is something you can do no matter where you are. So if you're international and you're just wondering if this is worth your time, yes, it is. This is available to you as well. This is an opportunity that will allow you to watch quick videos online and earn money. Now with this opportunity, you will be earning through cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, then there is tons of YouTube videos and information out there about cryptocurrency to help you gain some knowledge. But if you're familiar with cryptocurrency, then stay tuned for this video. So there is this website that is very trustworthy and is verified, and is called Coinbase. And they're the most popular, well-known website that is highly secure and allow you to invest in Bitcoin as well as to sell Bitcoins. Okay, so Coinbase is definitely a site to consider if you're interested in getting started in cryptocurrency. So if you're ready to get started in cryptocurrency, you can check out the link in the description section below this video. That link will also allow you to earn free $10 for joining Coinbase when you sign through my link. It is very simple to do and to get started with Coinbase. These are some of the videos that they have on their website that you can view. The courses are free, so you're not purchasing any courses. Again, you just watch any courses and earn money. And you can earn $3 for most of those courses are up to $6, $9 for watching one of their courses. And with these courses right here, you can earn up to $59 in cryptocurrency. So you can go through all these different courses, and again, you're just gaining knowledge about cryptocurrency if you're new, if you're a beginner, and earn money on Coinbase. And now I'm gonna be logging to my dashboard because I have a cryptocurrency account on Coinbase. So I'm just gonna give you a quick view of the dashboard once you sign up to Coinbase. So very quickly, again, you watch the videos. Then after you watch the videos, after each video, you will receive a simple quiz testing what you have learned. Then you will receive crypto in your Coinbase wallet for every quiz that you complete. And you can start earning today. And opportunities are only available for a limited time to a small set of customers. So if you're interested in this opportunity, then you definitely want to sign up today. So let's jump into how we can get started in signing up. Just go to the upper right side where it says get started, and it will take you to this page where you will have to create an account with Coinbase. So simply enter your first and last name, an email address. You will have to choose a password. So after that, you can check this box. You just click where it says create an account. Now be advised that once you create an account, you will have access to your dashboard and you will be able to sign in into your website. So I'm just gonna sign in into my website. Once you attempt to sign in into your Coinbase account, they will have a two-step verification. They will send you a verification code via text. So you check your text message and you wanna enter your verification code right here. And once you're able to verify your account, you will be taken to your dashboard, which will look like this. So again, make sure you use the link in the description below this video to sign up, so you can get that $10 for signing up. So once you're in your dashboard, you're gonna go to your left side and then you're gonna go to where it says for you. You're gonna click on that, and in this section you will see there are some courses and videos that you can view, and these courses will earn you money, which is in cryptocurrency, but you can also trade it for cash or whatever. So they have like different videos you can view and watch, and some of these videos are like 2-3 minutes long. You can earn up to $59 per video. For example, watching this lesson right here by cryptocurrency will earn you $59 if you watch the entire lesson. Okay, so the higher the payment, the longer the video. So we're just gonna click where it says view all, so you guys can see the videos and how much you can earn. So I'm just gonna scroll down. They have a video here that will earn you $1, and it's only 1 minute long. And we have another video here. It's the same 1 minute long $1, and these videos are really quick and very short. So just scroll down to all the videos and see how much you can earn for watching the videos. So if you're interested in doing this, then start now. So that is it, guys. I hope you gained something from the video. I will catch you in the next one.